Why are you recording us?
I want to eat. I'm not recording you.
I'm not here.
You
Fuck
because you came here. Hey brother, don't say fuck you, man.
You fuck
You fuck off.
I can fuck you every time. I can say
do it.
every time.
Do
Fuck
it.
you, fuck you,
Do
fuck
it.
you, fuck you, fuck
Do it, man. So we are just going down here to see what they have. So I'm seeing now some local things out here. A lot of bus, guys. As I told you earlier, this is one of the most used means of transport here. Where? Yandehino? So we are going to eat something, huh? We are going to eat some local breakfast. I'm recording myself, brother.
You are recording yourself.
Self recording.
Are we not seeing that you are recording us?
I want
Are
to
you
eat.
stupid?
I want to
Who
eat.
paid you to
I want to
record
eat.
us?
If I want to
go,
eat, I
you-
cannot record
You
myself.
go.
Why?
Why are you recording us?
I want to eat. I'm not recording you.
I'm not here.
You
Fuck
because you came here. Hey brother, don't say fuck you,
You
man.
fuck.
You fuck off.
I can fuck you every time. I can say
Do it.
every time.
Do
Fuck
it.
you, fuck you,
Do
fuck
it.
you, fuck you, fuck
Do
you.
it, man. Are you the owner of this place?
I'm the owner. I work from here. Why are you recording us?
I want to eat.
Who gave you the permission to record us?
I am recording myself. I want to eat. Huh?
Bro, we want to order something.
What is wrong with you? I'm recording
I
myself. I
don't
want
want
to eat.
record us here.